Aloha, everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of ProactiveComputerSupport.com right here on Oahu. I just did something very simple. I wouldn't be surprised if other people are already doing it. I've made a text business card, and it contains everything I do, and more importantly, it contains keywords such as computer repair, so that if people need to search for this in their text messages, then they can find it. So they don't have to make sure that they have my business card, or someone referring you doesn't have to have your business card. All you have to do is create a good text message similar to a business card. Plus, everything on here is tappable. This the phone number, you can tap on that and send a phone message or send a phone call or a text message. You can tap on the website and actually get the website address, or you can tap on the email and send the person an email. So, once again, we can utilize the 21st century to make networking a lot easier. You'll notice that I put BNI on my in after my name. That's to let other BNI members know that I belong to the network. And make sure that you put the right keywords in here, and a little slogan like on mine I have: to keep your computer from getting sick, don't forget to call your Rick. Haha. But in-home and on-site computer and device proactive maintenance, support, training, and repair. So when you go in and type and search for computer repair, my text will come up. And that is why you don't want to take a picture of your business card and text it to people that way, because then they have to remember your name and all that other stuff or whatever to do a search. This way, the text itself, computer repair, computer training, is searchable in their SMS application. So think about doing that, and you'll save a whole bunch of money on business cards, and you'll probably get a lot more phone calls doing this too. So that's about it. That's your very simple networking lesson, regardless of what type of your business that you're in. Feel free to visit ProactiveComputerSupport.com and give me a call if you're on Oahu here for your own particular computer needs. I thank you for your time. God bless and aloha.